Hello, welcome. Question 28, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. The score obtained by 5 candidates in an examination are given by this. We have to find the mean deviation. By recall, we can see that if I'm looking for mean deviation, which is the deviation in the values, will be equals to sigma, the absolute, the sum of what? The absolute value of the difference, the deviation in the numbers, right? If I want to use the right word, divided by what? N. Where x is the data, x prime is the mean. And how do we find mean? The mean is sigma x divided by what? N. Meaning adding all these values, 68, then we have 87, 98, 86 plus 86 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 of them, even given in the question. So this means that your mean is going to be addition of all of this. All will be giving you 425 divided by 5. That should be giving us 85. So it means that the mean of this, or the average of these numbers, will be 85. Then our mean deviation is talking about the summation. Do I have to, okay, I have space, so let me go down a bit to have the values of x as a table, then have the deviation in the values. So 68, 87, 98, 86, 86. So if you subtract 85 from 68, you still have negative 17. This will give you 2. Then 98 minus 85, that should be 13, and 86 minus 85 will give you 1, 1. Remember, what we are looking for is the absolute value of the deviation in the number. So this becomes positive 17 to 13, 1, 1. But we need to find the sigma of the deviation, right? So this is 20, 30, 34. 34, I guess. Then our mean deviation will be equals to, I'm not going to write the formula again. The summation of this value is 34 divided by a number of values is what? 5. This will give you, I think, 36. 6.8, but let's be sure. 34 divided by 5, 6.8. So let's see which option will resonate with our answer. The option we have here is what? The option A. I guess concept is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.